So what's going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you some text animation presets I have, and they are really great, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So if you want this preset, kindly join my Discord server. Check my YouTube bio. You are going to see the link to my Discord server. If you join it, just go to where you see text animations, and I'm going to upload it over there for you guys to download. So if you download it, it's a zip file. Make sure you have a zip extractor, extract the text preset, and locate your program files. Inside, open it and look for the location of your After Effects. So any versions you have, just go through them and look for the presets folder and just paste your preset here. After pasting the preset, restart your After Effects. So you just go to animation, go to support, and look for the name of the folder you pasted. That's Hyrex Ultimate Text Preset. We have a bunch of them here, and we're just going to go through a few of them. So we have the multi-text presets, we have the elegant text preset volume 1 and volume 2, and also have the 170 elegant. So these are all free text animation presets. So just go into them. So let me create a test. So let's go for the elegant preset volume 2. So we have the in and we have the out. So let's go for the in. Let's go for 27. So this is the 27, and this is the text animation we have here. You can also go through and change and look for another one. So let's go for 35, and also let's play this. So this is 35. You can also go through and just try your hands on most of them and look at the animation that you like. Then you just keep it in mind, or you can rename it and always use it in your edit. So with this, it comes with your keyframe. So you can see your keyframe here. You can extend the keyframe to make it slow, or you can bring it together to make it fast. So let's go to elegance and let's try this. Let's go for the 100 and let's go to easy for 1 in. So you can see how the animation looks. This is really pleasing, and actually I think this looks very nice. So you can see. So you can have this as your animation. So guys, this all depends on you. So just go to my Discord server, join my Discord, go to text animation, go to this option here, text animation, and download it. And guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Peace.